Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, we are looking at how you can prepare thick, creamy fish stew without oil. It is healthy, it is tasty. Kindly don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Start by scaling your fish if it needs to be scaled. If it still has some scales on it, after, cut it into pieces depending on how many people you are preparing for or how many pieces you would love to cut it into. Then at this rate, we are going to wash it until it is clean. I washed it 3 to 4 times. When you are washing it, make sure that you remove all the blood that is inside because this will affect the taste of your stew. So make sure that you clean the fish until it is clean. I kindly request you subscribe to my channel to help me grow. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. We are going to be using onions, tomatoes, just the basics, very few ingredients. So at this rate, they are supposed to be ready, already chopped and placed aside for later use. Place a pan on medium heat and add your chopped onions. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and a little bit of water to help you steam up the onions. We are going to cook these onions until they are soft. Don't forget a little bit of garlic. It is optional, but if you choose to use it, it brings in a good taste and it adds on the flavor in your stew. Stir 2 to 3 minutes until the ingredients are thick and the onions are soft. I used a little bit of spices, paprika, a little bit of chili, and it has salt in it as well. Mix. After, when the onions are soft, add the fish and coat it all in the ingredients. This is a healthy stew that you can prepare for your family within this Ramadan that you can enjoy, and it is very nice. It goes well with any food of your choice. So after 2 to 3 minutes, add plain yogurt. This is for extra thickness, creaminess and that tangy taste. A little bit of water. You use soup depending on how thick you would like your stew to be. So you can add like a half cup of water and then stir and coat the fish. Taste for salt, and you can add a little bit of black pepper if you want to. You can add a little bit of fish masala. It as well works well. After cooking for 2 minutes to 3 minutes, add the coconut cream, not coconut milk, because we are preparing thick stew, creamy fish stew. So you want it to be creamy. That is the reason why I used coconut cream and not milk. Milk does not bring about the creaminess in this stew. So you want that cream, you want the soup to turn out to be thick, creamy and so rich and flavorful. Then taste for salt and any other spice, then cover and cook until you get a thick, creamy brown stew that you can enjoy with your family and friends. And this is what we were aiming at, and this is how it looks like. This is how it turned out, and you can serve this on any food of your choice. You can enjoy this with your family and friends. It's oil free, no frying, no butter. It's so easy to make. Within 20 minutes you are done with the stew and it is ready to be served. This is how I served it with rice, but it goes well with chapati, posho, matoke, sweet potatoes, any kind of food you would like to serve it with. And this is some of what I do best. Kindly check out my other videos, my other recipes, and let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Until next time, thanks for watching.